how would I say I am 30 years old? I am, soy, 30, 30 years, años. Soy 30 años, right? No! Remember, in Spanish, we have got certain expressions that in English we use with the verb to be, but in Spanish we don't. We use it with verb to have. My name is Patri. Welcome back to Español with Patri, Spanish with Patri. Bienvenidos. And today I'm going to be talking to you about expressions that we only say with the verb tener, but in English we say with the verb to be. Are you ready? Vamos! First one, and one of the most important one, tener plus años. Tener años. To be years old. To be certain years old. For example, how would you translate this sentence? My brother is 5 years old. Easy one, come on. Mi hermano tiene 5 años. Años. I will never get tired of reminding people this. Años. Siguiente, next one. Tener calor. To be hot. Tengo calor. I am hot. I am hot. Inverse translation. This time I tell you in Spanish, you try to translate it to English. En verano, siempre tengo calor. En verano, siempre tengo calor. How would you translate that? In summer, I'm always hot. I love being hot. Me encanta tener calor. Siguiente sería, another one is tener frío. To be cold. Brr, tengo frío. Tengo frío. How would you say? ¿Cómo dirías? I'm cold. I'm cold. Can you pass me that blanket, please? I'm cold. Can you pass me that blanket, please? I'm cold. Tengo frío. Tengo, again, I am, but it really means I have. Tengo frío. Puedes pasarme, can you pass me? Puedes pasarme that. Esa, because it's blanket, manta. Puedes pasarme esa manta? In my house there are no mantas. All of them I call them mantitas because it's like a little cute blanket. Mantita. My husband knows that one well. I'm always asking for mantitas. Right now, I am feeling a little bit peckish. Tengo hambre. I'm feeling a bit hungry. Tener hambre, to be hungry. Tengo hambre. Did you just hear my stomach just went... Me acaban de sonar las tripas. My stomach just grumbled. Okay. Tengo hambre. I am hungry. So how would you translate this one? Tengo muchísima hambre. ¿Vamos a comer algo? Tengo muchísima hambre. ¿Vamos a comer algo? I am so hungry. Shall we go and eat something? Siguiente, tener sed. To be thirsty. Tengo sed. Bebo agua. It's not open. Ahora sí. Now we're talking. The dog is thirsty. You have to give it some water. How would you say that? The dog is thirsty. You have to give it some water. Water, if you're American. Bottle of water, if you're British. El perro tiene sed. Tiene, because we're now talking about el perro, third person singular. El perro, él. El perro tiene sed. Tienes que, you have to, tienes que dar, give him, le, darle algo de agua, some water, algo de agua. You could just say darle agua, to be fair. Most of the time we don't translate that some into Spanish, we can just say darle agua. Tienes que darle agua. Ay, tengo sueño. Ay, tengo sueño. Tener sueño. I've just come back from California and I am so jet lagged from my holidays. So, tengo sueño all the time. Siempre tengo sueño. I am always sleepy. I've been sleepy for like a week. And then when I have to sleep, I'm not sleepy. Oh, so how would you translate this? Anoche no pegué ojo. Careful, that's an idiom. Anoche no pegué ojo. Y hoy tengo un sueño. Anoche, last night, no pegué ojo. Pegar ojo means to sleep a wink. It's an idiom, okay? So, no pegué, past tense, ojo, I didn't sleep a wink. I couldn't sleep a wink. Y hoy, and today, tengo un sueño. That literally means I have, okay, but we're going to translate it as I am because we know that one already. That literally means I have a sleep. But it's a way of exaggerating if you put un before sueño. What I mean by that is, I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. Tengo miedo de volar en avión. What does that mean? Tener miedo, to be scared, to be frightened of something. In my case, one of my biggest fears, and I have to do it all the time, is volar, to fly. Okay, a lot of people have this fear to go on a plane, volar en avión. But I'm doing okay with it. I think I'm more or less getting over it, except when there's turbulences, and I'm like, oh, and I pray all I know at that point. And I'm one of those that literally hides under the blanket and just hopes for everything to pass quickly. Okay, so how would you say, I'm scared of snakes and spiders? Tengo miedo, I'm scared, tengo miedo de arañas o de las arañas y de las serpientes. I live in a country house in England. You can't imagine how many arañas we've got. The house is full of arañas all the time, and I just always shout, araña, araña. Sometimes I even take a picture of the araña, send it to my husband for him to come and help. I hate, odio las arañas. I'm getting used to them. Remember, I'm a city girl from Madrid to a countryside girl in England. I've come a long way, but I still struggle to cope with certain ones that look like tarantulas. Tener prisa. Tener prisa. I'm always running late. I'm always in a hurry. So, tengo prisa, to be in a hurry. For example, I could say to you, venga, nos tenemos que ir. Tenemos prisa. Venga. That's such a common Spanish phrase. Venga, venga. Venga, nos tenemos que ir. Tenemos prisa. How would you say it? ¿Cómo lo traduces? Come on, venga. Come on, let's go. Venga. Nos tenemos que ir. We have to go. Nos tenemos que ir. Now this one we make it reflexive all the time. That's why I put in the nos in there. When I say, oh, I really have to go, I wouldn't say tengo que ir. I would say me tengo que ir. I have to go, me, myself, by myself. I'm going, I'm off. I'm going to get a taxi and I'm off of here. Me tengo que ir. Te tienes que ir. You have to go. Se tiene que ir. Nos tenemos que ir. We have to go. And the last bit is the easiest. We are in a hurry. Tenemos prisa. We are in a hurry. Come on, we have to go. Nos tenemos que ir. Tenemos prisa. We are in a hurry. Okay, I've got two more. But before that, please, if you're liking this lesson, if you like to learn Spanish, do not forget to subscribe. Suscríbete a mi canal, to my channel. And press that me gusta, like, if you're liking this lesson. Tenerathon. Ay, the usual dilemma in my house. My husband claims he always tiene razón. Tener razón, to be right. Tener razón. But what I always respond to him is, you know you're never right. Even though it's technically not true, but I wind him up like that. You know you're never right. You know, sabes que, you know that, we need to link it. you know that, sabes que, you're never right. Nunca, never, tienes razón. Sabes que nunca tienes razón. In this case, we do not use the double negative nunca, no. Nunca is enough in there, okay? Sabes que nunca tienes razón. Y la última, and I hope you all have this one today. Tener suerte. Tener suerte. To be lucky, tener suerte. The other day I stepped on a caca. Pisé una caca. I stepped on a poo and somebody said to me, no te preocupes, don't worry. Eso da suerte. That brings you luck. Tener suerte, to have luck, to have good luck. In the same way, you can make these negative, by the way. You can say no tener suerte. Or you could say tener mala suerte, to have bad luck. Tener buena suerte, to have good luck. Tener mala suerte, to have bad luck. So I could tell you a story and say, le tocó la lotería. Le tocó la lotería. Tuvo mucha suerte. What am I saying? Le tocó. Imagine that I'm talking about him this time, for example. A él le tocó. Because otherwise you wouldn't really know. You could translate it as she as well. He won the lottery. Le tocó la lotería. In Spanish, we don't say to win the lottery, we say to touch the lottery. Tocar la lotería. Le tocó la lotería. He was so lucky. Tuvo mucha suerte. He was so lucky. I hope you all have mucha suerte today. And for me, muchas gracias a todos. But now, tengo hambre. I am so hungry. So I'm going to go. Me voy a ir a comer algo. Hasta luego, chicos. Gracias. Adiós.